Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dinda Afifah Sudarpi and I'm a fourth semester student majoring in Management International Class, Faculty of Economic and Business, University of Tanjung. This video is created to fulfill the final exam of Human Resources Management class, and it will be divided into 3 parts video, each discussing one section of the final exam. And lastly, here is the third section. Third section is divided into 2 parts. The first part is to read a following article and answer the following question. The first question is, what is the title of the article you read? What does the article explain to you? The title of the article is examining the gender influence on employees' work engagement within a South African university. The title explained to me about the examinations of how gender influenced the work engagement between employees in a South African university. The second question is, what is the problem statement formulated in the article? The problem statement formulated in the article is, does gender influence employees' work engagement in a target South African university? The third question is, mention and explain the theories used in the article. Why does the writer use the theories? In order to understand work engagement as a construct, this study will be guided by Kahn's 1990 Theoretical Foundations. Several studies on work engagement drew on Kahn's theoretical foundation, and his work is regarded as the foundation for work engagement literature and the most influential one. Kahn, 1990, embraced the notion of psychological presence when he studied and introduced the construct of engagement in organizational literature. He presented work engagement as the psychological experience of work and work context which influence the process by which people present or absent themselves during role performance. Confirmed that Kahn's perspective provides a sound conceptual base for research on engagement, hence the decisions of the writers to embrace it as a theoretical foundation in this study. The next question, mention and explain the previous research in the article you have read. Why is the previous research very important? Previously, the Boston College conducted a study on age and generation in relation to work engagement, and gender was found to be one of the overall drivers of employees' engagement. And also, previous research by Schaufel et al. 2006 across a number of countries shows inconsistent results in the relationship between work engagement and gender. In the South African example, women were found to have a higher work engagement than men. Thus, it is assumed that in this study that women have higher level of work engagement than men in a target South African university. These previous research and studies shows the need to conduct further empirical studies to explore the nature and extent to which work engagement remains gendered and its implication for female and male employees. Because to date, no evidence of an existing study which examined the gender influence on work engagement has been found in South Africa and in the South African university context, thus setting the stage for this empirical investigation. Consequently, this study seeks to empirically examine the influence of gender on employees' work engagement in a South African university. The next question, what was the research method used by the writers? Why did they use the method? This study followed a quantitative, non-experimental cross-sectional survey design, where primary data were collected from employees working on a South African university in order to achieve the purpose of the study. The next question, how did you find the sampling method used by the writers? The sampling method, in my opinion, are very fair and well deciphered between the females and males, academic and professional support. The writers also take into account how long the participant had been in their current position, which is 59% of them had been there for 5 years. The next question, explain the research findings in the article you have read. The findings show that there is no statistically significant relationship between gender and all 3 subscales of Utrecht work engagement scale, that is vigor, dedication, and absorption. No significant mean differences were found between male and female employee in relation to the three subscales of UWES. Thus, gender was found not to predict the level of work engagement of employee in a South African university where the study was conducted, rejecting the notion of gender work engagement in this particular workplace. The second part of the video is to watch the following videos on YouTube and answer the following question. The first question is, who is the speaker in each video? The speaker of the first video is a speaker from a Way Forward YouTube channel. The speaker of the second video is a speaker from Litmus Heroes YouTube channel. The speaker of the third video is Caroline McManus of Swedish Medical Center. The speaker of the fourth video is representative of World Health Organization. The speaker of the fifth video is WHO's Dr. Rosamund Lewis. The second question, what did the speakers talk and explain in the video? The first video talked about how to have effective communication, a two-way communication instead of just talking. The second video talked about a conflict management on how can we deal with conflict while working in a team or with a partner. The third video talked about 5 tips to reduce stress in the workplace. The fourth video talked about things you can do to keep yourself, your colleagues at work, and your family members protected from COVID-19. The fifth video talked about questions and answers regarding COVID-19 in the workplace. The third question is, what theories can you get from watching the videos above? I got theories about what actually effective communication broke down into. I got theories about conflict management, theories about stress reduction, and a lot of informative and vital insights about COVID-19's impact with our environment and its prevention of spreading. The fourth question, how did the videos benefit you as a student? The videos benefit me as a student because I can learn so many new things, deepen my knowledge about specific things such as effective communication, be aware of my surroundings and what is currently happening, sharpen both of my soft and hard skills. The last question is, can you understand the speakers in the video you have watched? And why? I personally can understand the speaker in all the 5 videos I have watched because the speakers spoke very clearly, their explanations were very structured and well organized. I am very intrigued and well engaged with the video and what the speaker is trying to get across us as a viewer, especially me. I can understand clearly each point that the speakers delivered. All in all, the 5 videos that was assigned to us are very informative and insightful with many general knowledge that is useful for me in both short-term and long-term situations. Clearly, it's shown to me that it is very important for us to continue learning through whichever medium suits us best. And that is all from me. Thank you so much for your attention for watching this video. I hope this video is either beneficial, insightful, and very informative to you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.